Now, I wanted to do a video about a carnist that in one of the comment sections of my videos, in one of the comment section of Michelle Lowe's video, stated that she thinks I'm overweight due to the high sugar content in my diet, and that's what's causing my heart condition. Now, this is also a person that stated that you can't manufacture enough cholesterol, and I'm going to post links showing you can. Cholesterol is so important to cell membrane health and so important to other things that, yes, indeed, most animals, especially mammals, manufacture more than enough cholesterol, and it can be manufactured in the human body because it's so important from carbohydrates, fats, or proteins, okay? And what's funny with carnists is they'll go, you don't need sugar because if you don't eat any sugar, your body produces sugar and from the excess proteins and whatnot, okay? Yeah, that's true, but they won't accept the same thing with the cholesterol. Okay, now what I want to point out is this. It's interesting how people, this is the tunnel vision of these people. They think that diet is the foundation and the only way to health, and if you eat the right diet, you'll never get sick. Now, in my last video, I pointed out why I got sick. And why I got sick wasn't my diet, and that's proven with my blood work and things of that nature. The reason I got sick was not following other factors, other lifestyle situations that I should have made better choices in. Okay, now, as far as I know, there's no genetic factor, but there are people with genetic factors. For example, a certain person I know has a genetic factor for clotting. Okay, now these things are these are not controlled by your diet. Now, diet can control gene expression, and I've explained that. That's why when I do playlists on primitive tribes, I include a lot of the food culture, because food culture is very important in gene expression. But what's interesting is with the tunnel vision that these carnists have, they don't get the fact that there is more to a healthy lifestyle than there is than simply eating the right foods. Many of them ironically talk about how you shouldn't supplement. If you need to supplement, you know, your diet's crap because you need to supplement. That's baloney, okay? Because for optimal health, you require certain nutrients. People should, in my opinion, people should read Life Extension, A Practical and Scientific Approach by Dirk Pearson and Sandy Shaw. And they should also read Fantastic Voyage, Live Long Enough to Live Forever by Ray Kurzweil. And they should also read The Vitanutrient Solution by Dr. Robert C. Atkins. And also The Age-Defying Diet by Dr. Robert C. Atkins. And that, maybe the carnists will like that because he agrees more with their mumbo-jumbo. But a lot of that is disproven in some ways. But with Atkins, he talks about the antioxidant theory of aging, why you shouldn't mix dairy with tea, and all this other stuff. People would be blown away if they knew half the crap they claim they know. My point being is this. My point being is, A, I am not obese, okay? I've been told by numerous primary doctors and other doctors that with my waist, chest to shoulder circumference, I am not obese. I am very mesomorphically built, okay? I would be what Cesare Lombroso would call a mesomorph, okay? I'm very powerfully built, and this is, I have large shoulders, a large chest, thin waist, large hips, large buttocks, large thighs, large calves. This is how I'm built. This is a family trait of mine on both my mother's and my father's side. My brother and I are two people that put muscle on quite easily and lose muscle not so easily. And we're basically what would be called mesomorphs. Okay, people should look up, what are they called? Just look up Cesare Lombroso and biological positivism. My point is that this tunnel vision over diet keeps these people from embracing an entirely healthy lifestyle. And this is actually the mindset that got me sick, because I figured, well, if I follow a pristine diet, whether it was paleo or Atkins or veganism or vegetarian, whatever, I assumed that I could abuse myself in other respects. That's not true. You can't falter on any one of the 8 laws of health. that's why I'm doing the videos on the 8 laws of health, is because this tunnel vision on diet, whether it's vegan tunnel vision, or fruitarian tunnel vision, or carnivore tunnel vision, or omnivore tunnel vision, or whatever, there is more to a healthy lifestyle than just diet. And that's the problem, is people are not seeing that. They get so religiously attached to their diets that they forget about the rest of the complete lifestyle. They like to talk about our hunter-gatherer ancestors did this, and our hunter-gatherer ancestors did that. But what they forget is they forget the other things the hunter-gatherer ancestors did. Okay? And that's why I'm making that playlist. Okay, that's enough for this video.